LG's new washing machine will surely amaze you. Siobhan Harmer Siobhan is a passionate writer sharing about motivation and happiness tips on Lifehack. Read full profile. Unveiled at the Customer Electronics Show 2015 in Las Vegas. LG's new twin wash system washing machine is by far the most interesting thing to occur in the world of laundry in a long time. Not only does this machine have a new and improved main compartment, it also has a smaller, more compact machine underneath, which LG calls world's first compact washer in a hideaway pedestal, generating a whole new set of washing options. Whilst both parts of the twin wash system use technology called TurboWash, which uses two high-pressure nozzles to spray detergent straight onto your laundry, ensuring your clothes always come out clean. Each machine has its own features. The larger compartment features a front-loading door that's tilted to a 6-degree angle and positioned 1 inch higher than regular machines to prevent users from having to bend over so far. Meanwhile, the bottom washer is perfect for small loads. Delicates are simply items that you wish to keep separate from the other load. For example, you may not want to put wet and muddy running gear in with the rest of your laundry. Each washer can use a different cycle and also run at the same time, which can all be controlled on the machine or via an app, as the machine has built-in Wi-Fi. Download the SmartThink app and you will be able to control temperature, use special cycles and receive alerts when your laundry is done. Seong-Jin Jo, president and boss of the LG Electronics Home Appliance and Air Solution Company, states, one might be tempted to call the LG twin wash system disruptive, as it's a completely new concept in appliances. The addition of a mini washer underneath the main washer translates to greater flexibility, convenience and efficiency. It's also another big leap forward in our commitment to using cutting-edge technology and innovative ideas to make life better for consumers around the world. Nat Eliasson Nat is the founder of the marketing agency Growth Machine. He shares lifestyle tips on Lifehack. Read full profile. Do you want to keep a budget, but aren't sure where to start? Or maybe you have your money in a few different places and want an easy way to keep an eye on it all. We scoured the web and app stores to find the best money management apps so you can dive in, start saving money, and live more financially secure. 1. Mint. Mint is a great app for seeing where all of your money is on all of your devices. It can track your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investments. You can also use it to plan budgets and future expenses, but its main focus is on giving you a financial overview. You Need a Budget. YNAB is a great tool for setting a budget and sticking to it. YNAB is nicely designed and gives you a clear report of where your money is going, as well as tools and 4 rules for budgeting to help you save. Spendy is a budget and expense tracker with a heavy focus on design. Spendy is truly beautiful and does a good job of showing you where all of your money is going and how you can adjust course. The only downside is that you'll need to manually enter your transactions. Expensify is perfect for the business traveler who wants to easily create expense reports of where he or she is spending money. You can do things such as take pictures of receipts, track your time, log any distances traveled, and print it out whenever you want to for expense reporting. Budge is another good app for helping you watch your budget, and it's geared towards college students and other people on more strict monthly incomes. If you're a student trying to make sure you stick within a certain allowance, this is a great app for you. Dollarbird is a personal finance app that focuses around creating a calendar of your expenses to give you a high-level view of your expenditures, as well as predict big expenses that will come up in the future. It's great for making sure you have a macro-level view of your financial situation. The Pocket Expense app is an alternative to Mint. It gives you an overview of all of your accounts and expenses, and helps you keep everything in check without too many bells and whistles. Toshal is a fun, personal financial management app that has many of the features of the other apps on this list, and adds in fun animated characters to make it more interesting. It's also one of the few to also have an app for Windows phones. Budget Boss is interesting because it learns your spending habits, and in addition to helping you make a budget, it can predict your spending over time in order to let you know where you'll likely be at financially in the future. It's great for helping you adjust course from spending too much of your money. Those are our top 9 picks for great budgeting tools. But ultimately the most important thing is that you have some sort of money management system. Keeping track of our money is important for ensuring that we're on track for all of our financial goals. Text source, lifehack.org.